Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can turn a JPEG image into a 3D model with minimal effort required. So as you can see, I just saved an image from the internet as a JPEG, and then we're going to open up this program called 3D Builder. You go to open, and then we're going to go to load image, hit the picture, and as you can see we get this. Hit inverse, and boom, makes a 3D model for you. It's literally that fast. Okay, hit the check mark. I'm gonna go to save as. You want to save it as an OBJ file, Nike OBJ. Actually, I'm just gonna make a folder here, Nike OBJ. So I'm gonna save it in there, save that in there, save that in there, and we're good to go. So next, we're just gonna open up a 3D program like Blender, and ignore that. Go to File, Import OBJ because we just made one. We're gonna look for that OBJ, and it's right there. Zoom out, and boom, you have your 3D model. It is literally that easy, guys. So this software is available for Windows, and this is Blender that I'm using right now. And obviously once you have a 3D model, you can do all that 3D stuff with it. So we can 3D print this Nike logo if we wanted. We can use it for augmented reality, for video games, for virtual reality. But yeah, I just really wanted to make this quick video to explain how you can turn any images into 3D models. And this is completely free and very easy to use. So thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe to me. I try to make videos as fast and efficient as possible, straight to the point. So if you found this video helpful, hit a like and subscribe for next videos. Thanks for watching.